Today on Vallo Vision News, it's Undergraduate Research Day. See how Montevallo students are publicly showcasing their research.
And a road closure may impact your travel across campus. Find out why part of Highland Street is closed to traffic.
Plus, a masquerade on campus. Learn about Spectrum's ball. Vallo Vision News starts right now. Hello and welcome to Vallo Vision News. I'm Isaiah Wilson.
And I'm Jake Stout. Thanks so much for watching. Students from UM's undergrad research program present their projects at UR Day Wednesday morning.
UM hosted UR Day for 27 years. Students in the program conduct research with guidance from faculty mentors. Projects span across academic disciplines, including history, math, and exercise science. Undergraduate researcher Beth Balance says it's important for students to get this type of experience.
I think undergraduate research is very important because it gives undergrads a way to kind of branch out and put something that they want to test out there.
You can learn more about this year's UR Day on our website, vallovisionnews.com.
The Stevens College of Business hosted an internship and career fair for majors Wednesday. Almost a dozen companies were set up in the Stevens Hall lobby, including Coca-Cola and Regions Bank. This event helped majors make industry connections and practice their networking skills. If you ever take the road that passes in front of Main Hall out to the Middle Street, you'll have to reroute for a few days. Highland Street is closed between Davis and Reynolds Hall for repairs. The fiscal plant is fixing the brick road where a water leak was repaired a few months ago. The closure is expected to last a few days. Don't forget, today is the last day to drop a class for the semester.
To withdraw, you can visit Banner or contact the registrar's office. Fall 2025 classes are now online. You can view the classes on Banner. Graduate student registration will open on April 7th. Undergraduate student registration will begin with seniors and those with priority on April 9th. You can find the full registration schedule on the university's master calendar. Remember, there's always more news 24/7 on our social media pages. Just search for Vallo Vision News on Instagram, Facebook, and X.
Still ahead on VVN, a Vallo Vision News follow-up on what's next for Montevallo Esports after head coach Ethan Baggett resigns. We'll be right back.
Create your future as a social media manager, filmmaker, journalist, and so much more with a degree in communication studies and mass communication. Visit montevallo.edu/COFA for more information. You belong at Montevallo.
Welcome back to Vallo Vision News. Now to VVN follow-up. We now know esports head coach Ethan Baggett's last day is March 22nd. His resignation was announced last week. Meanwhile, Dr. Brandon Beal has been named the interim head coach for the rest of the semester.
The University of Montevallo's art department is hosting their spring senior art exhibitions. The exhibitions will showcase all the hard work the seniors have put in throughout this semester. The exhibitions will open Thursday, March 13th through May 2nd in the gallery at Block Hall. Information on artists will be announced on the art department's social media. UM's Communication Studies program will be hosting its annual COMM Speaker Series next week. The topic for this year's speaker series is civic engagement and deliberative communication across Alabama. The goal is to help people and organizations foster dialogue, collaboration, and community action to shape the future of our state. The speaker series will be Monday, March 17th from 2 to 4 in Strong Hall, 119. It is open to all students, faculty, and staff. UM students had the opportunity to enjoy music, food, and companionship at Spectrum's Masquerade Ball. Students dressed up and wore masks to dance in the Student Retreat Center Monday night. Spectrum is a campus organization with the goal of providing a safe space for the student queer community. Spectrum hosts a variety of events that allows their members to be authentically themselves. In addition to hosting events, the organization has its own Discord channel where their members can create and develop a real sense of belonging.
Remember, there's always more news from our team of reporters on our website, vallovisionnews.com. That's all the time we have for today's show.
Thanks for watching, and be sure to tune in to Vallo Vision News again next week.